How to fix Mail app not loading emails on iPhone. Open up your settings, scroll all the way down and click on where it says apps. Over here, you want to find the Mails app over here and click on it once you see it. Inside here, you want to click on the option Mail account. And over here, click on the option Gmail. And over here, make sure Mail is turned on. Once this is on, if it's still not working, check your Wi-Fi. Sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well, your mails don't load. But if your Wi-Fi is not a problem and you're still facing this issue, just come over here and click on delete account. Once you click on delete account and delete the Gmail account, you want to go back and click on add account and add the account which you just deleted again. This is going to relog you into your Gmail account, making all the settings reset as well, so your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, just switch off your phone, turn it on again, it should work. If it still doesn't work, just delete the Mail app and re-download it again. Sometimes a bug causes the issue, so doing this fixes the problem. And also update your iPhone to the latest version as well, okay? This also sometimes helps fix your issue. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.